Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Amirul Akmal bin Rozi Amiruddin.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Alia Shoda. Let me start by giving some introduction about our product. Here our group going to present about application of Scalar product. We choose the Pratt Truss bridge to explain furthermore about application of Scalar product, and we have find out a problem statement.
Let's move on to introduction of our topic. A vector can be multiplied using two basic type of products. These products are the dot product and the cross product, and they have many differences. A dot product of two vectors is also called the scalar product. It is the product of magnitude of the two vectors and the cosine of the angle that they form with each other. The cross product of two vectors is also called the vector product. It is the product of the magnitude of the two vectors and the sine of the angle that they form with each other.
So the problem statement is Haziq is a civil engineer. He is assigned to build Pratt Truss Bridge across Kedah River, and before he begins to construct the bridge, he needs to find out the blueprint that involve the dimension of his bridge. The problem is that he needs to find out the angle of bridge truss so that the bridge can support its own weight, the weight of vehicle crossing it, and the wind loads. All I need to know to build the Pratt Truss bridge are: number one, the length of the base O to A is equal to 5i plus 4j. Number two, the length of the base O to B equal to 9i minus 5j. And number three, the angle of bridge truss equal to OAB.
I do like to expand on application of scalar dot product. Haziq has to use the principle of scalar to find the angle of OAB. To do that, he needs to calculate O to A, O to B to get the angle of OAB. Therefore, this is the solution for Haziq to find out the angle OAB by using the principle of scalar dot product.
Next, I like to illustrate the calculation. The information we got from the problem statement is vector OA is 5i plus 4j, vector OB is 9i minus 5j, and the angle of bridge truss is angle OAB per theta. Firstly, we have to solve the vector OA scalar dot vector OB to proceed to the next step. So we put OA is 5i plus 4j scalar dot 9i minus 5j, and we classify it with the same ii and jj, and we got 9 plus 4 negative 5, and we calculate it when we got 25. For the next step, we must find the magnitude of vector OA and vector OB to find the final angle. So magnitude vector OA equal to square root 5 square plus 4 square, and we got square root 41, and we calculate it and we got 6.403. We do the same for the vector OB. So magnitude vector OB equal to square root 9 square plus 5 square, and we got square root 106, and we calculate it and we got 10.296. Next, we have to include all the answer from the previous calculation to find the cos theta, which is cos theta equal vector OA scalar dot vector OB per magnitude vector OA magnitude vector OB, and we got 25 per 6.403 10.296. So we got we calculate it and we got 0.379, and we proceed to the next step. cos theta equal to 0.379, theta equal to cos power negative 1, 0.379, and we calculate and we got 67.73 for the final angle of the bridge truss. In conclusion, let me sum up the main point. We need to find the angle of the bridge truss, angle OAB, that have many importance so that the structure of the bridge is perfect. Lastly, we can conclude that the scalar dot product can help us measure the angle formed by pair of vectors.